Hi, today I'll be presenting prototype for food delivery service TurboIts. My team with Elizabeth, Quinn, and I, David, worked on this prototype, keeping the various needs of market managers the center point. We decided having a dedicated screen for different categories, which helps in better categorizing different activities related to TurboIts. So we have 10 different menu items over here. Starting with the first screen, that's the home screen, or you can call it dashboard. One can keep track and get overview of different activities which is happening with turboids. So like as you can see over here, there are graphs of sales and revenues, and also there's the overview of the staff over here. Filters can be applied to view market performances for previous day or the coming week. So you can click on filters over here and you can view the data by date or month. Just saying numbers and quantitative data can be difficult for managers as many things are going at a time, but visualizing this data on graphs and charts can help them in getting the clear picture about different activities, and it can also be helpful in planning for the coming days. One can view the calendar and add tasks for the particular days from over here, and this comes in handy when you want to keep notes of the things you want to accomplish. Also, using calendar, one can keep track of the holidays or days off or when restaurants are closed. To view the notifications on the recent activities, one can click on the bell icon over here and you can view the notifications. Also, you can use the search bar to search for a specific order number directly from here. One can make changes to their profile by clicking on this icon, and you can also sign out and go to account settings from here. Second comes the menu page. So on menu page, you can view different burritos that are on the menu. Also, if you're planning to add new food items in the future, one can tap on add more over here, and you can select the image and textual information related to it. There's a separate section for sides and extras so that it won't get confused with the main food items. And also similarly, you can add more items over here. Next comes the kitchen location. So here, as you can see, there are different kitchen locations with their current status. Also, there's a map here useful in getting the real-time details about the locations or drivers at work. So you can hover over here and get the picture of the restaurants or kitchen. To view the information about storage space or number of employees working at a particular location, one can view it in the tabular representation over here. This detailed information can come in handy when when managing restaurants at different locations. So next comes the orders. So this is the dedicated screen for managing orders and keeping track of the orders that are placed. On the right side of the screen, the orders are numbered and color coded based on the current status of the order. One can click on the order to get the details about the order and take actions if intervention is needed. Also, histogram here displays detailed information about the orders that are completed or which are pending right now. There are also graphs for order increment chart and the goals that are left to complete. Next comes the communication screen. So communication screen contains information of employees working with the turboids. It acts as a directory of information. So this screen contains contact details of kitchens or drivers and even the supply chain partners. On the right side of the screen, there's a list of people categorized based on the location of the kitchen and the location of the drivers they are working in. One can either contact them using the phone or directly chat with the person using the chat icon over here. To add new contact details, one can use the add more button over here. Next comes the report screen. So this screen contains different charts like daily income and expenditure statistics, key performance indicators of the employees, and the order delivery details, which are covered in the 20 minutes. This gives holistic view of different activities within the turboids, and also there's if you want to see the viewed data in a different format, so you can select pie chart from here and pie chart from here and same data, you can click on filter and view the chart. So next comes the planning page. So planning screen helps in planning for food items and any other raw material information needed for the coming week. As you can see here, there are graphs for last month accomplishment, ratio of expenditure to output, and key task briefs and details, which all can help in deciding the requirements for the next week. It can suggest activities based on the goals of the week. One can add more goals and plans here. Agreeing to this can create plans for the next week, and suggestions can be improved over here using the AI and automation to predict the requirements. Next comes the help screen. So help screen gives helps in managing helps in managing customer complaints that are with the order. Let's say customer is complaining about the food is cold, and manager can send a message and resolve the issue by talking with the customer about it. Also, they can mark the issue as resolved and see the reports about complaints they have received so far. Next comes the alerts and notification screen. Over here, one can view and manage alerts like insufficient stocks or maybe increasing customer complaints. Managers can view details about it and take necessary actions by clicking on the details, and this will direct to the intended screen. So there are a number of complaints in the past week about went above it, so you can click on details and check the reports over here. For notifications, one can manage notifications and send logic when they would like to receive notifications to certain events. Let's say you want to receive notification when the kitchen storage is less than 50%. You can do it by adding a logic, and next time when the storage hits 50%, you will receive a notification. To set a law to set this notification, one can click on apply and the notification is set. Also, you can add more notifications over using the add more button. This helps in keeping track of things and managing the business, and also you can use automation over here for the notifications. Next comes the settings screen, that is the last screen. So it displays there's general settings where you can change the fonts, or you can even change the layout of this platform. You can change the color of this. Also, if there's a new update for the software, you can simply click on update to update your software. The second is the management settings. So you can manage the managers at different locations and the drivers working there. Also you can set the kitchen address, and you can apply different conditions for that. Concluding this, for the interface to evolve, we are planning on making the UI more interactive for managers so that information becomes easily understandable and can help in planning using automation and AI in managing the business. Thank you.